क्या आपको पता है पाइथन इसलिए फेमस है बिकॉज इट इज एन इजी लैंग्वेज बट द ट्रूथ इज डिफरेंट. लेट्स ब्रेक डाउन इट.
Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple.
Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Rida and finally this is my first video as a tech student. If you see the thumbnail of my video you have an idea what I am going to explain. So the topic of my video is what is Python in my opinion. On social media we have seen many videos like what is Python, what is programming and how it is beneficial for us. But my video is going to be different because I am gonna tell you about what is Python in my opinion as a student or as a learner. On social media many tech influencers talk about we should learn Python and it's the future language. I agree with that, it's the future language. But if you think you will write or print hello world and by writing this you will become pro at this, so this is completely wrong. Some people think they will take a class of 1 day about Python and the next day they will become pro at this. So this is also completely wrong because Python demands consistency, Python demands time. And when you focus on Python and write your first code regarding what is Python and apply your logic in it, so that day your passion will become your power. Inshallah, I will upload my next video regarding my first project as a beginner about Python.